In this lecture, we will discuss about henna and its uses in cosmetics. Myself, Dr. Prabjot Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Chaudhary Devi Lal, College of Pharmacy, Haryana, India. So, henna consists of the dried leaves of Lawsonia inermis of family Lythraceae, a shrub cultivated in North Africa, including Egypt, India, and Ceylon. The leaves are greenish brown to brown and about 2.5 to 5 centimeter long. So here are two pictures. One is of the final product, that is henna powder on the left hand side, and in right hand side this is a picture of a henna plant. So dried henna is produced from the dried leaves of the Lawsonia inermis. Chemical constituents: henna contains a coloring matter known as lawson, a hydroxynaphthoquinone, various phenolic glycosides, coumarins, xanthones, quinoids, beta-sitosterol glucosides, flavonoids including luteolin and its 7-orthoglucoside, fats, resin and henna tannin. So the main compound that is responsible for the coloring properties is lawson. So here this is the chemical structure of lawson. Now we will see the uses. So henna inflicts numerous beneficial effects to hair. These include making hair stronger, increasing the hair volume, a resistance to hair break, reduction in split ends of hair. It can be used as a regular dye, shows anti-dandruff effect and can eliminate head lice, possesses antifungal and antibiotic effect, shows astringent property, reduce some inflammations. Henna contain tannins, which is an astringent. The use of henna in the hair helps to tighten the surface of the scalp or dye molecule that strengthens the follicles grasp on each hair, thus making hair stronger. Henna penetrates the hair shaft, strengthens it, smooths the cuticle, thickens and volumizes the hair, and makes hair more resistant to breakage. So henna can be used for dyeing and it also helps in strengthening the hair. So these are the henna products. So these are the organic herbal hair colors. Henna can be used as a hair color. These three pictures are of hair colors only. Next are the these are also hair colors. Nisha natural henna based hair color, Nature's henna care natural hair color, Royal silk henna hair color. So it is natural and free from any side effects. But natural henna only dyes hair brown or red according to the hair. If the hair are white, then it gives orange color to the hair, and if the hair are brown, it gives brownish reddish texture to the hair. So these are the other products such as shampoos. So henna shampoos are manufactured to provide various nutrients to the hair to help in hair growth and strengthening the hair. So Biotic Bio Henna Leaf, Vatika Health Shampoo, Dr. Batra Shampoo, Lotus Herbals, Keraveda, extracts of henna leaf, bringraj and neem leaf. So other herbal products such as bringraj, neem leaf, aloe, etc. can also be incorporated in shampoos to give additional benefits to the product. These are henna hair mask, Srastava henna hair mask, Aromine henna powder for all type of hair. So here in the hair mask, the henna powder is wetted and the paste is applied on the hair, and then it is allowed to dry for some time, and then the hair are washed. So in this way the henna product act as a coloring agent and also as a conditioner. Apart from these, lotion isolated from leaves of L. inermis has shown significant antifungal antibiotic effect. Also, the henna dye helps to protect against UV rays from the sun while also strengthening hair. There is no black, neutral brown, auburn or any color of the rainbow henna, just natural henna with variation of shade from orange to reddish brown. The results from the henna stain on the skin and body depends on the level of keratin in the hair, skin or fiber, and also depends on the quality and freshness of the henna, how long the paste was on the area of application and quality of henna paste. Henna also possesses antifungal properties and has some proven antibacterial activities as well. Henna can eliminate fungal dermatophytes living in the skin such as tinea and Mesalliza. These fungi can cause superficial infection of the skin, hair and nails. Some examples are dandruff, ringworm, athlete's foot and fungal infection of the nails. Henna can also reduce some inflammation and can eliminate head lice. These simple remedies only require applying henna paste to the area of discomfort or infection and keeping it on the skin long enough for the lotion to penetrate. No complicated formulation is necessary to achieve good results. Henna can eliminate dandruff when caused by Malassezia furfur, a species of fungus naturally found on the skin surface of humans and many animals. This fungus consumes the oil from skin and in humans often inhabits the scalp. Most people who use henna regularly to dye their hair have no dandruff. People who have dandruff caused by Malassezia may experience a sudden fall of dandruff after first application of henna. This is because when henna kills off the fungus, the outermost layer of infected skin exfoliates. Healthy skin remains and flourishes. Henna can eliminate most tinea dermatophytosis in a single application of henna paste. A single topical application of henna paste can effectively relieve tinea pedis, health lead foot, tinea cruris, jock itch, which affects the groin area, tinea capitis, which affects the scalp, and tinea barbae, which affects facial hair. Henna will stain hair and skin when applied to these areas. A single application is sufficient to rid the area of tinea until the stain has exfoliated. Repeated application of henna paste can relieve tinea unguium, which affects the fingernail and toenails. Usage of henna in cosmeticals for coloring hair has indulged from many decades, as ancient queens used to mix it up with some powerful herbs to color their hair. Henna is a natural herbal powder which is not only used for coloring hair but also helps to prevent dandruff and scalp aging. It acts as a good conditioner for your hair and helps to grow your hair. Recently, number of products having henna powder are available in market which claim for hair coloring. These products contain either henna powder alone with the mixture of other natural plant powders including amla powder, shikakai powder, tulsi powder and bringraj powder. Sometimes egg white and lemon juice are also added to these products. Usually these products are applied twice in a month or more according to hair condition, makes hair glossy, healthy or voluminous. These natural cosmetic products are best and safest way to color hair that has no ammonia, chemicals and toxins. The most important thing to have gorgeous hair with henna is to select the right quality henna from a good brand. The next important and popular product of henna is the henna oil for hair growth. Henna oil for natural hair is really useful, that provides a healthy glow and volume to it, makes it shine with all its might. Henna oil is prepared by extraction of henna powder in oils. Gingerly oil, mustard oil, castor oil, coconut oil and some other vegetable oils can be used for extraction of henna. Henna oil is for hair growth. It has properties that help to repair hair cuticles, making hair strands thick and strong. Henna helps give volume to the hair shaft and improves hair texture, making it to look beautiful, silky and strong. It is soothing conditioner for hair and scalp. It not only helps to add shine and volume to it, but also protects it from further damage by forming a protective coat over it. So this is all about henna. Thank you.